Hey, what's up guys, it's MTECHCARE here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can completely uninstall Anaconda from your Linux operating system. By the way, for your information, I'm using Linux flavor Ubuntu. So let's jump right into it. So okay guys, welcome back again, and now we will install Anaconda Clean package firstly to uninstall Anaconda from our system completely. Okay, and now copy this command, and by the way, every command I use in this video will be listed in the description section, so keep check it out the description section, and copy paste these commands, not a big deal. Open terminal, and now I'm pasting this command, Ctrl+Shift+V, and enter, and now it's collecting package metadata and it's working on it. Solving environment, and yeah, our request package already installed because I already installed this package. And now copy it, delete our package. Now copy this command and Ctrl+C, and now paste it here, Ctrl+Shift+V, and now hit enter. And now after this processing, and now in the last step, you just copy this command, rm-rf and anaconda. This is the last step, and all your directories of anaconda will be removed. Okay, now hit enter. Now wait for it, and now done. Anaconda is uninstalled successfully. Now we will check it, is Anaconda is completely installed from our system or not, and navigator, okay, and hit enter. Now you will see that the command will be found and Anaconda is completely uninstalled from our system. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel if you haven't, and share with your friends. Thank you.